Hello, beautiful people. How are you doing today? Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, I welcome you specially. Thank you for coming. Today, I want to show you how you can make your own sugar at home. And by that, I mean a healthy alternative to sugar. So if you have a sweet tooth, you like your food sweet, but you're trying to keep away from sugar, this is a healthy alternative. So keep watching. Personally, I think that dates are way sweeter than white sugar, and you can use them the same way you use your sugar, and they're packed with loads of amazing benefits for the health. So for me, instead of white sugar, I'll just do date powder, which is better, healthier, and even way sweeter than sugar. So what I'm doing right now is taking out the pits from the dates and trying to sort the ones that are good and the ones that are not good. Some of them, when you open them up, you will find that they've been infested with insects. And so those are the ones I'm going to put away. A few weeks ago, I uploaded a recipe on how to make date syrup, which is equally very good and delicious. I will leave the link to that in the description box, so please check it out after this video. Another thing about date powder is that it doesn't need refrigeration, as you don't need to keep it in the fridge. It stays well on the shelf and it takes very little time to make. In case you're wondering, my name is Remrem and I make videos from Lagos, Nigeria. Now look at this date in particular. Insects have taken over it. Once that is done, I will lay them nicely on a tray and put in the oven on very low heat for 20 minutes to dry them and make sure that they're very firm. They're out of the oven now, and to touch they feel soft because the fruit has sugar, of course. So when they come in contact with heat, they can really, loosen up. But I will let them cool and they will firm up nicely and they will be ready for the next stage. Alternatively, you can put them out when it's sunny and put a mesh over them, so to prevent flies from perching them, if on days when the sun is really good. But it's been very cloudy here in Lagos for some days now, and so I could not wait for the sun. I had to devise this method, and now they are very firm and I am going to blend them up. If you feel your blender will not be able to crush this fruit at once and you feel like breaking them into smaller pieces, I advise that you do it with your hand. Do not smash with a mortar or a very heavy thing. This is because the sugar can release onto the fiber and make it very difficult to blend. This is the first batch, and if you look, you will see that I have quite a bit of big granules. So I'm just going to use a spoon to scoop them out and then transfer the ones that I feel like I'm okay with into a bowl. And then the other bigger granules I'm going to transfer back into the blender, add a new batch and blend smoothly. And guys, this is what I have. I will store this in an airtight container and keep on the shelf, and it will last for well over 2 months. If you like this quick but very useful recipe, please give me a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe. There's so much more coming your way. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you again with another fantastic recipe. Bye.